Okay, while you're coloring the pictures of what are you coloring?
The elephant and vulture.
But what are those? All of them.
Bird.
Birds. So while you're coloring, I'm going to read something. Oh, that's beautiful. While you're coloring, I'm going to read something about the birds, okay?
Okay.
Birds are found all over the world. There are more than 9,000 species. Isn't that something?
Mm.
Many can fly, but some are flightless.
Like penguins.
Yeah, yeah, that's good. Their beaks.
And this. And octopuses.
Mm-hmm. Their beaks are adapted to the different kinds of food they eat. Birds sing to communicate with each other, with other birds. All birds lay eggs. What did I just say?
All birds lay eggs.
That's right. And care for their babies when they hatch. I'm trying to hold this book and watch you. Where am I? Some kind of birds migrate to warm climates in the winter.
In the winter.
In the winter.
I had to.
Can you think of another type of bird that's not on the picture?
A seagull.
A seagull. Any other type of birds you can think of? Birds, different colors. What type of birds do you see when you go out?
Woodpeckers.
Woodpecker.
On the wild that we had. Saw them one time.
Yeah, and actually here. We have woodpeckers here. You remember they be out there on the wire and knocking on the wood gate. Any other birds you might can think of that be outside? What about a bird that is a different color that we see outside? The red bird. You never seen the red birds outside?
Oh, I have.
Oh, what about
I looked out the window.
any other type of birds you can think of
Well,
that be outside sometimes?
no.
What about the robin bird, blue ray birds? You never heard of those before? But those are some birds. Birds, what do birds do? Do you remember how many birds there are? How many species? Over how many?
Over 100,000.
You forgot? Over how many birds? 9,000 birds. Isn't that amazing?
Why you keep saying that?
That's not amazing to you?
It is, but why you keep saying it?
Because it could have been one. It could have been one bird. Only one bird. I would have been thankful for that bird. But to know that there's over 9,000, more than 9,000 birds.
Mom, what is this?
What they say? That's a sparrow. A spot.
The sparrows fly?
Yeah, they fly. They have a song out there too about that.
I want to hear it.
What about a bird that be up at night?
I never heard of that.
And he has big eyes and his
Oh,
head.
an
Owl. Oh, so you do have one of them on there. The song is and I know he watches me. I sing. I forgot. Because I'm happy, I sing. Because I'm free, his eyes is on the sparrow.
Oh, I heard that.
And I know he watches. What?
Me.
Me. Yeah, exactly.
I heard that some
You heard it before?
on
So-
the computer we used to listen to it.
Mm-hmm.
I wish we could still listen to it.
All right. Tell everybody bye-bye.
Bye.
Shalom.
Shalom.
You want to say anything else about them birds?
I like
Yeah, what's your favorite bird?
penguins.
You like penguins, why?
Because they waddle funny.
You got
And-
that tooth that's want to come out. It's just sticking out. But anyway, go ahead.
Okay, but I saw that on, what's it called? The show I used to be looking at, but I don't
But
use
anyway, what you
that
like
on
about it? What you like about the penguin?
I like about the penguins that they waddle. And
Can you stand right there in front of your seat and show me how they waddle?
okay,
Cool. All right, the penguin waddle. All right.
look, the penguin. There's a penguin on here.
Yep. Nice.
I don't like vultures.
You don't like what?
Vultures.
Vultures?
hmm
Why you don't like vultures?
They can eat. They eat woodpeckers, right?
They eat anything. Some people call them barrels. How you call it? Paul barrels?
I think it's bonehead.
But anyway, vultures, anything, if they hungry and it's dead, they gonna get it. That's what vultures do.
I wish all different kinds of animals will stay alive.
Or look like it's dead. If somebody laying out and they sleeping and the vulture think they dead, they coming to eat. You know, laying out on the ground or whatever.
You mean like, what's it called? The thing I saw on TV, it was night, and then they hang on trees, and then they would tell
you're
me,
talking about the bats?
they hung on trees with their tail, and they pretend to be dead when they're scared.
I don't know what that one is.
Me neither.
I wish I knew. Look at that too, just hanging. Anyway, that's all, folks. Shalom to my Yashra family, 1,000 Roses. Just did a little.
Have you ever heard of the red ramen? I like that one too.
Okay, we're gonna finish up this lesson. Oh, let me show you guys. We're gonna talk about other animals, but this is the book, the dictionary that I'm using. Okay, it wants to fall on the floor. Okay, but anyway, that's the dictionary I'm using. I read out of, and to add to our science. So a little science, little something going on, even though we've gone over this, but we just kind of going over things again. So that's all, folks. Nothing like schooling all year long, reviewing and all that fun stuff.
School too.
You like piano school? Bye-bye.
I like going on the computer.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.